Okay, so, well, first of all, sorry about my English. It's not my first language, so probably I'm going to have a lot of mistakes while I'm speaking. Well, hey guys, I want to make this tutorial about how to add the autohide legacy script into your clothes. I have to make this tutorial because I was looking for a lot of tutorials about this, since the instructions that they give you, at least for me, didn't work. So hopefully I can help someone that was in my position. Okay, so the instructions basically tell you to hide the parts that you want to hide, of course, and from the hood, export, and it will give you an object. So you have to give a name of that object that they give you, then take it and just drop the object into the code that you want to add the script. And everything is good. Okay. I mean, basically, we're going to do that, but with a little or with a more steps. So let's start with the first thing. Um, you're going to have to rest your clothes on the floor. Every option you have. I mean, if you have a red one version, a green version, every option you're going to have to rest it on the floor. Okay. Once you're ready, have your options rested on the floor, you're going to need to make the hidden parts on your hood. Okay, you're going to have to open your hood and start hiding the parts that you want to hide. I'm going to stop over here so this video doesn't take too much time. Okay, now once you're ready, hide the parts as you prefer. Like me, you can see that I already hide the parts that I want to be hidden. You're going to need to export it. There's a button below the hood. You only have to click on it. Okay, once you click on it, it will open this external window and it's going to ask you to give a name on it. You only have to give a name. I'm going to put dev moments mail. Since I'm doing in the body mail, it works in female athletic version hierarchy, so don't worry about that. Once I already finish my name, I'm going to send the instruction and you're going to be able to see this message in the general chat. It says you're always ready, please take me, blah blah blah. So you're going to do that. Go to the box, right click, take it, and then you should already have in your inventory this one that says mesh body alpha and the name that you put. Okay, now the instruction says that you only have to drag this box into the cloth and that's it. But I don't know why it doesn't work for me. So what I do is I go to my folder that I have my legacy body. This is the folder we all have when we buy the body. Okay, it's nothing special. We all have this, and you're going to have to look for this one that says create.zip. You just add it and unpack it, and that's it. Okay, it's going to save you in your inventory. Since I already did that step before, I already have it. And this is the folder. it's going to give you. Is this folder have a lot of scripts, but the one that we want is this one. Says alpha mask and also says drop into clothing. Alright, so we're going to do that. We're going to drop into the clothing. So only have to right click, edit, go to the content window, and then just drop the script over here. And you can see it says that Mesh Alpha is installed and configured. And also drop this one, the one that we take it first. Okay, the box. And that's it. It should be work already. Okay, what was my mistake? My mistake was that since I already have this one, let's think that I don't rest the other options. Okay, so I don't. I just only have this one rest. So if this one already have the scripts that I need, I can just only duplicate it, change the textures and everything, and that's it. But no, at least for me, it didn't work to save a little time, but didn't work at all. So what I do is this. I rest every option like this, do the same steps that I did with this one, like right click, edit, the script, the box, drop it, and that's all. I'm going to have to do this with every object. Okay. And also it's important that you have to hide the parts in your hood at every time, okay? Because if you unhide it and drop the script and the parts are not hide, the script will be notice this movement. It will tell you over the chat. It will say like the script doesn't found hidden part, so it's not working. Something like that. So every time you be sure that your parts are hidden on your hood. But well, let's say if I already finished with all the options, so let's try it. I'm going to take this one. I will hide since I just want to make sure that it works. Go to my avatar and wear it. So this part should be hide. Just give it a time because I don't know why the the legacy hood it's a little silly, but see, it's working, completely works. So hope I helped you. If you don't understand a thing or something, you can contact me. And there's no problem. Okay, I will help you. So that's all. Bye bye.